this is, look, the key is, look, ooks, nelly, cox. Ooks, nelly, cox. Yeah? Those are the magic numbers, right? So look. And then the same thing here. Now stay there and go back. Now here there's no move, there's no horizontal movement. Now we'll go up this way. Here what we watch is, look, when we no. Now here, do this deliberately and consciously, even exaggerated. In real life, you're not going to do this, but this is not real life, so just exaggerate it a bit, because this will change how you do it normally. And try every time to remember your shoulder, as though your shoulder is controlling the movement. Okay, let's do it one more time together. Ready? Watching for these changes. Yeah. Go. Expression in Estonian, you know this, Patric. It's called, I don't like it in English because it's not a, but they say to kill two birds with one stone.
We have killed two flies.
Yes. Yeah. So I don't like killing. No. Especially not birds. Flies, well, mosquitoes, but even they, they have their lives, Anyhow, you can time just with the thumb, then the next time. We're doing it slow now because we're getting to use it. You can then, of course, now the next step, obvious would be 3 to 1. You can just do it one time through like this. Yeah. That's P-E-M-R-N-E, right? The trick is to do this consistently, really, regularly, but not too much. You know, I mean, not sit down for 1 hour doing this. Then it's really, then you're in the Hulu Maya. Short periods, 4 or 5 minutes with intense focus. And just remember, it's teaching the dogs to. I've said this many times. I say to the kids, you know, fingers are like little dogs. You have to tell it. Has anyone here ever trained a dog? No. You have to tell it 100 times, 500 times. Come, sit. You know, the usual thing. At first, he doesn't know what you're talking about. But after they've understood,